the like button. It helps us out.
Huh?
You got that winnow? Careful.
Oh, what's that?
I never noticed it. She must have been in the bike.
Oh yeah, I could hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful when you step out.
Oh, yesterday on Joe's farm, I was very
Yeah.
Or get some of those just look at.
Oh, yeah. But it's better when it freezes,
Yeah.
when it starts to freeze a little bit. You drill a bunch of holes right there.
No, yesterday.
Another fish is there. We go in the cove or up and the other cove up to the left. So we usually fishing.
So this is our setup for our fire and lunch and everything today. It's a beautiful day. Sis and Rick got a tarp set up to shelter us from the little bit of wind. Got our fire pit set up to have lunch. We're going to have some barbecue pork chops here a little later. Got some potatoes on the open fire and cook up. So it's going to be a lovely afternoon and hopefully a lovely meal a little later. The boys out trying for a trout while the women is cooking supper.
Of course it is.
That's
I still your pepper.
alright, my dear. I got lots of pepper. How's the trout? How's it out there, old feller? Yeah, no doubt. Nary a bit of blood to be seen. Starting to get some supper on the go. Potatoes in the foil. Sis got mushrooms and onions going. Gets this stuff pretty much cooked and we're going to add on our pork chops, maybe some wieners. Supper is served. Well, it's the end of another wonderful day. We spent the whole day up on the pond with my sister and her husband. Me and Galby really enjoyed our day, so did they. So we're really pleased with the way the day turned out. Hoping to do it again real soon. Tomorrow's supposed to be a bit cooler, so we're not sure if we'll go out tomorrow or if it's a day for getting work done. But either way, it was a great day today and we're very thankful for that. So I'm glad you came along with us and hope you enjoyed another episode of Rousels every day off grid in Newfoundland. See you next time.